Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to begin by validating hardware and enabling the feature. First, confirm your phone or tablet supports NFC and is updated. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, open Settings and toggle NFC on, then make sure airplane mode is off so radio communicates. Move the device's NFC antenna area, usually back center, close to the tag or reader. You'll often feel a vibration or hear a sound that signals detection. Keep the device steady to complete the initial handshake. Now configure how you will use NFC, reading, writing, or emulation. Install a trusted NFC utility, then grant NFC and any requested permissions. Permissions prevent silent failures. Choose the NDEF record type, text, URI, or custom MIME, because the format determines how a target interprets data. For developers, enable foreground dispatch or add intent filters so the device routes NFC events to the right app immediately. While writing, hold the tag still and avoid magnetic interference, since even small motion can corrupt the write. Finish by verifying operations and securing any persistent data. Perform a read then a write and immediately reread to confirm the content matches. This validates integrity. If records should be permanent, lock the tag or enable app-level passwords so unauthorized writes fail. If things go wrong, follow a clear troubleshooting path. Toggle NFC off and on, reboot the device, clear the app cache, and retry with a different tag to isolate hardware versus software faults. This sequence resolves most common NFC failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.